Hello everyone. Welcome to another live trading session by Sliver Trades. This is Rao here. Um,
Order filled.
I so very wanted to show you guys what I'm doing now that I decided to come live and show you how I'm trading. I'm not sure if I had mentioned that I kind of experimenting with trading on 15-second chart these days. Uh,
Target filled.
uh, yeah, I wanted to close this so I can complete my narrative and then focus on trading. So I'm experimenting with 15-second chart, and this is a very high-speed chart for many people, especially for beginners. But I figured that this kind of gives me a better uh, entries and better exits. Here I'm kind of using very small stop loss as well, uh, about 1 ATR stop loss. So my stops could get hit frequently, but as you see, the today's trades with this strategy has given me $530 just with 4 trades. Just in 4 trades, I got decent, returns. Here, I caught long when somewhere here, rode all the way to here to $550, and then I think I got stopped here, 1 trade, $80 of loss, and then small profits here. So it's a trend. Um, it's a trending market strategy. It's used in trending market. Last couple of sessions I did were mainly for sideways market, churn trades, or a kind of a ranging market using churn trades. But this is with the trending market and using contrarian strategy. And my ATMs are, very, very tight. It's kind of 1 ATR stop and 2 ATR profit. So 1 ATR stop is, I here now ATR is like four, got four. So 4 point ATR is 16 ticks. So 16 ticks of stop and 2 ATR of profit. So this is the ATR. This is the ATM I'm using, ATM one. And then how I trade is I use contrarian trade, and I'm going to take long trades because the EMA 21 SMA, the green line is sloping upwards.
Order filled.
So I'm taking long trades. So I'll turn off as soon as I take the trade, and hope to get 2 ATRs of profit. So let's see if I get that profit. If not, I will take a loss of 1 ATR, which is about $80. Um, so it works well in a trending market. At this moment, the market is kind of ranging a bit, so may or may not work very well. Um, it churn trades is better in this strategy, but I wanted to show you. So this is didn't work. So maybe I'll go back to my churn strategy and try to once the market is trending, I will start using contrarian and show you how it works. Until then, I will perhaps keep it at churn. But I once here actually I was able to catch trend way down and then way up. And way down, it was like $655. And then, so I caught the wave all the way down here. Initially, there were some losses when the market was back and forth. I got like some, here I'll show you. First 2 trades were losses, then there was a profit, then there were 3 losses. So it's not a great strategy for sideways market, but perfect strategy for trending market. So for sideways market, I'm going to use churn and trending market contrarian. So this is the plan,
Order filled.
and this is churn trade that was taken. Um, so what I do is after the trade is taken, I try to manage that trade as well, so that I see what's going on and come out of the trade if it's not going in the direction that I want, or yeah, take a profit sooner than 32 or 280 ticks. Mm. So, and churn trades, we have to be smaller, take smaller targets here. Not 2 ATR. Maybe half ATR is okay for churn trades if we want to keep the stop small. Otherwise, no more than 1 ATR if you keep your stop big. I kind of moved it at around 12 tick profit target. So difficulty reaching even that 12 ticks. So if this kind of thing happens, it's better to stop it and take a smaller profit. So now it market trended down a bit. If it crosses this level, I will assume it to be downtrending market, and then I will look for short trades. There are two types of contrarian trades in the new version of Sliver Bullet Pro. There is a contrarian 2 as well, which takes trade when the price tags 8 SMA, but the original contrarian trade continues to take trades when the price tags 21 SMA. So I'm now expecting the market to go down a bit. So I'm set it up for contrarian trades, a short side. But price comes to this green line, then short trade will be taken. Or maybe I should keep contrarian too, because price is around 8 SMA. I'm kind of being aggressive here. So yeah, contrarian 2 would have been better, but now market price has moved away. I have to wait for it to come back. Since I'm using very small stop loss, I have to wait for my setup and not be in a hurry. I need some nice pullback to 21 SMA. This is the tricky part, deciding whether to take a contrarian or contrarian 2. It's rejecting from 8 SMA itself. Couple of ticks higher and trade will, it's rejecting from 8 SMA. Rejected.
Order submit. Order filled.
All right. So trade has been taken here. And let's see.
Stop filled.
It got stopped. So again, this is trend hasn't established yet. So, but good thing is, we get stopped quickly, and I lost $80. Um, my outlook is still to the downside, so I will keep this on. In fact, since the trend is not really supportive, I will use ATM to take trades with two contracts. And I wanted to show you guys how this works. So ATM2 has a wider stop loss. I will use wider stop loss because I don't want to die by 1,000 cuts.
Order filled.
All right. So stop is way up there, and ATM2 takes trades with two contracts. Yeah. So it came down, but it started to range here. So in this kind of situation, contrarian is not greatest. Churn trades is better trade strategy. But if you are in it, let's see how to come out of it. So, what I can do is I can close one of the positions quickly, just for a few ticks of. So I reduce my risk this
Target
way.
filled.
So I removed one position, and then the other I will turn on scale in.
Order filled.
What happens when I turn scale in is I can exit at break even. Targets got set automatically. Market went sideways here.
Target filled.
So one first trade $50 of loss, second trade $80 of profit. So net about $30. So I have to change the strategy now that a market is behaving sideways. Let's see how it works with this one. Yeah, by the time I decided to show you guys, the trend got over. In this V-shaped market, this contrarian trend trades worked very well, and I wanted to show you something. But here in the sideways market, churn trades is better. We will continue to trade using churn trades with two contracts, ATM2. When the market stretches, the churn trades strategy takes a trade in the opposite direction. And it will give you an indication if a trade is about to come. If market stretches suddenly by 19 ticks, it will take a short trade. So if you see the number here, 14, 13, 15, and I'll place the aggressive mode so we don't miss a trade. It has to stretch nicely, in one direction.
Order filled.
Okay, a trade has been taken, churn trade.
Target filled.
So quickly profit for the first position.
Target filled.
All right. Then it was another profitable trade with $145. So 570. So I'll keep churn trades on for now. I'm not interested in long is fine too. I think it'll take long trade only if price comes to this point somewhere suddenly. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys my trending market trades using contrarian strategy, but I'm now showing you churn trades, which is also very high probability strategy. So only long trades will get taken because price is below 21 SMA. Churn trades takes long trades when the price is below 21 SMA, the green line, and it takes short trades when the price has stretched above 21 SMA, the green line. So market is coming down. If it gives a nice push down, then my long trades will become active. 14 takes too long. So my target is usually $650. So one more trade, a nice trade, and target will be met. So here, as I showed before, $655 of profit. The profit target was reached. And this trend I rode all the way here using contrarian strategy. And on this chart, I have $570. So since the market is sideways, I'm using churn trade strategy now with two ATMs, two contracts. That's ATM 2.
Order filled.
All right. So one more trade.
Target filled.
Okay, one contract was closed. So here I'll move this target here and move the target up and move the stop loss just below that bar. So let's see if I can ride this, but looks like it's going to come and take my stop. which is fine because market went against me. So in hindsight, it was good that I placed the stop just above my break even. For the second contract, the first contract I was
Order
profited.
filled.
So again, it took a trade. So this is the last churn trade I'm going to take. I'll watch if the market has started to trend. And if so, then churn trade will not be the strategy anymore. I'm going to close
Target filled.
Okay, it got closed automatically. So looks like market is going to trend down, but I will, if immediately I don't get a profit, I just like to kill the trade in churn trades, because there was a reason market stretched. Stretching a stretched market could be sign of weakness. It could be sign of strength.
Target
So
filled.
I closed it prematurely, $55. Now I want to evaluate whether market has started to range or it's slowly coming down. It's moving down like this. So I'm going to go back to my contrarian. That's a trending market strategy. Actually, the profit target has been met, so a trade button got disabled. So I'll create a new chart here. I'll duplicate it in a new tab and load up the strategy. And I like to place it at $3,000. Rest everything will remain the same. I'll use ATM 2 so that it's kind of I get a bigger stop loss. A contrarian short.
Order filled.
Okay, trade was taken. See, it's still market is in the range mode. It's not in a trending mode. So the way it pushed above 21 SMA is means that it's still in that range mode, ranging mode. So if I don't get profit immediately, I like to close the first trade, first position quickly at a small profit or sometimes even break even.
Target
Yeah,
filled.
so closed. I was early, but that's how we manage risk. And I'm going to place the target as well. And I'm going to close my trade here now.
Target filled.
Because it's not giving me profit quickly, I just close it. $65. Not bad, right? Now let's wait for the next contrarian trade. If I held on to the position, I would have gotten profited for the full ticks, but the reason I closed it was I don't know whether market is not trending nicely. It's kind of, I would say it's just swinging back and forth, so grinding downwards, but I can hold on to a position, but I don't like to attach my ego to the outcome. So
Order filled.
it got stretched again. So I don't think contrarian is good anymore. I have to stick to churn trades. Now I'm going to close these trades quickly. Now I get some hopes that price will come down. So
Target
yeah,
filled.
here it made a big wick, which kind of gave me an indication that market will slide down, but it slid down and then moved back up. So you have to be all right.
Target filled.
Here you go. So not a big profit, but $35. So real quick scalps these are. So $100 in last few minutes. So now what do I do? Maybe I should sit on my hands. Market is just trying to deceive. Um, Tried to slide up, came down, then pushed back up, then came down, then pushing back up. So it's not in clear direction. So churn trades would be my go-to strategy in this kind of markets. Just don't trade or use churn trade strategy. If anybody wants to know about this software, Sliver Bullet Pro, this colorful UI is from that software. Write to us at info@slivertrades.com.
Order filled.
You can. Our website is slivertrades.com. We offer Sliver Bullet Trading System, which comprises
Target
of
filled.
trading education, automated trading software, and funding accounts. I want to close this trade quickly. I move the target and I'll not wait for 120 ticks. I'll move it to break even. I don't like this trade. So,
Target filled.
all right. So about $50 of profit. Not bad. Yeah, I'm being very cautious. In my personal accounts, I don't even trade like my funded accounts and all. I'm just showing it as part of the training. $150 in 3 trades. And before that, those who joined only now, there was $670, and then here $655 today. So 1,300 here, 150 here, about close to $1,500 so far. So what do I do? Churn trades on the short side? Yeah, perhaps I'll stick to churn trades on the short side. In fact, I'll wait for market to stretch a bit to this level before I turn the trading button on. Twenty ticks to go. It shows the indication. Once the price goes to this level, I'll turn my button on for churn short trades. Let me see what the market is doing in 2-minute chart. Okay, this is a 2-minute chart. So here, guys, market has taken liquidity from both the sides. It picked up liquidity from here, then it went up, picked up liquidity here, came back. Any buyers left were taken out. Any sellers, any stop losses that were around this area were taken out, and then market moved back sharply. Now it's trying to figure out which direction to go. It appears to me that the bias is to the upside, but I feel what the market will do is it will push up, come down, pick up the liquidity here, and then start going back up. Well, it has already picked up liquidity here, so maybe it will come to this level, go up, come to this level, and then go back up. So let's see. Yeah, expect a push to this red line area. Downward push. I missed a trade here, guys. I missed a churn trade here. I wanted to take a trade here at this place, and I was analyzing other charts, and I missed a trade here. See, you see the dot? The dot was a short churn trade. Excuse me. I missed it. It would have been nice, $50, $60 of profit. So yeah, that's what happens, guys. While teaching, talking, explaining, educating, some trades get missed. Sometimes I mess up. So trading is a focused activity. One needs to stay focused. Maybe I'll get better doing two things at the same time. I'll get better at multitasking, trading as well as teaching. Excuse me. Okay, I will go for long churn trades. Yeah, as I said, market will try to test this area before moving up. That's what it's doing. It's coming down. And that's the VWAP area. This line, green line, is VWAP line. Market has picked up any liquidity that was under this. I hope it will not break this low. This low it should not break. But anything can happen in the market. So what I expect is it will come down here, somewhere close to this green line, that VWAP line, and then start moving back up. There is a sudden drop of 4 points. I'll get a churn trade. In fact, we have now um, given the software some uplift. We can place limit orders as well. Um, how that works is we have to turn this Heikinashi button on, and if I press the buy button,
Order submitted.
a limit order will get placed at a round number. This is where the trade will get placed. So this is for those who want to trade by levels, and I can cancel it by pressing the stop button. And if I press Heikinashi again, the regular trades will be active. Okay, market is coming down. One nice stretch. Yeah.
Order filled.
All right. So turn my button off, and I only hope it will not wash down all the way here and give me the profit I'm looking for. And it's at the right at the VWAP line. So hope it does not cross and go down. The market has been doing. It's not respecting levels today. It's not been respecting levels. So, and it did not. It's kind of pushing down. I'll wait for some time and then take corrective action. I have to start scaling in. And I'll move the target closer so the position get closed. And this has been the norm all day. Market hasn't been respecting levels. It's just going beyond the areas that you expect it to stop. Here I will turn the
Order submitted. Order filled.
on. So now 2 more trades got placed and target moved to break even automatically. So this is the last. I think I will try to salvage. Beyond that, I will hit big loss. So let's see. It's moving down. So I'll move my stops closer here so that I don't lose big on these trades. Overall, it's going to be a decent size loss.
Stop filled.
And got stopped. So I lost money here in these trades because market went against me. It's interesting that it did not respect this VWAP line at all. Again, it was fake uptrend here. So now, and it's now trying to go down. So maybe I have to follow my trend trade strategy here using contrarian. Now market is moving back up, is what it does. If I did not move my stop, I would have been better off. So
target filled. Target filled.
I closed it because here this a hammer was formed. I didn't want to sit on that trade when the hammer was formed. So it's time to decide whether which direction to go. Again, I'll wait for pullback to this VWAP line or maybe higher before taking any new trades. So now I want to recover this, even though I am positive. His last two sessions were like here 670, 655, still positive, net positive, but here 620. If I to recover this, so I have to do some few things differently. So now I will wait for this some 50% pullback and use churn trades. Yeah, if I hadn't moved my stop, I would have been profitable in this previous trade. So market grabbed the liquidity here and moved back up. So it's churn trades is also not appropriate. As I was saying, in this market, it's good to sit on hands, not change minds too often, because that's what my market is making you do, change your mind. So there is another strategy, churn scalper. So I'm going to show you that. Maybe that will help us recover part of this loss.
Order filled.
All right. Here I'm going to pull this target to this level. And
Target filled.
so that was the profit there. And let's see, I moved the target here to a lower level, hoping that market would come back to the VWAP line. VWAP line is 299. So I still have room for one more point here. Here you go.
Target filled.
Well, whatever. So $170 recovered. 170 it was loss reduced from 620 to 450. Sorry. And so I used churn scalper to salvage. So churn scalper, how it works is if price has moved up and tries to come down, makes two red candles. After that, churn trade gets activated. So, and I'm traded all the way to 21 SMA line. So that's what it. That's how I recovered some losses. So let's see. To find some more opportunities to recover losses. So now I can go with either churn trades or churn scalper. Because market is swinging back and forth. It's a swinging market. The swinging market, which I was not expecting when I decided to do this live session. It was trending and I wanted to show you guys contrarian trade using 15-second chart. But now market is swinging up and down. I'm going to use churn scalper and show you how it works. So the difference between churn trades and churn scalper is with churn trades, the trade gets placed in the market extreme. But churn scalper, when the market returns from its extreme, then the trade gets placed. So that's the difference. Churn trades gives you a trade a little early. Churn scalper would be delayed. And it gives you trade only after a confirmation. So both have their own advantages and disadvantages. We have to check the levels, support resistance levels, and then decide which one will work the best. I now expect a breakdown. I'm going to go with the churn scalper instead of churn trades. When the market comes to this level, 1 SD level, I might switch to churn trades.
Order filled.
Okay, let's see. A churn trade was taken.
Target filled.
And I will keep the target to this level for the second trade, second position, closer, and I will get the
Target
profit.
filled.
So again, $90 of profit. A small, crumbs we are picking up here because this market is a deceptive market. It moves very fast. Not very fast, meaning, it reverses very fast. So see, that's the reason. Now it came down all the way. reversed on me. If I hadn't taken that profit, it would have come down below my entry level. So somewhere here, I will activate my churn trades at 265. So the loss is down to $360. All right. So here, something interesting happening. Let's see. There's a reversal, complete. The red candle is completely reversed by green candle, completely eliminated by green candle. If that sustains, I'll perhaps take a manual trade to the upside. Okay. I'm going to take this trade manual trade here
Order filled.
and aim for move back up. Let's see. Move back up all the way to VWAP. If not, I will take the loss and call it a day.
Target filled.
Position. So here I could apply an interesting strategy and see how it works. Trend trades. This is my desperate attempt to recover my losses.
Target filled.
Yeah, no, it did not trigger, but I made $185. My loss is down to 175. So I should be satisfied with this because I was at $670 and I recovered $500 of loss with this maneuvering different types of trades. Before that, I was profitable 655 here, 670 here, and here 175 loss. So I would consider it, achievement. So those who are new, they can watch this video again and again and see how using different trading strategies we trade profitably or recover from losses as well. So I could take one churn scalper at appropriate time and then reduce my loss to even less. Um, and remember, guys, there is a FOMC meeting at 1 o'clock. Um, so around that, we should not trade unless we know what we are doing. Um, so 1 p.m. Central, there is FOMC meeting or FOMC statement, meeting minutes, whatever it is, it's FOMC event. We need to be careful trading around that time. So here I will try to take a churn trade. Oops, somewhere if there is a sudden burst. If there is a sudden burst, I will get a trade and then see what happens. Ticks to short and it disappeared. So churn trades is it doesn't give you frequent signals. It will trade only at the market extreme. If market stretches suddenly to the upside, it will take a short trade. So here the loss was because I moved the stop very close to this, thinking that market will continue to slide down. But right after I took my stop, it reversed. If I'd stayed on my trade, you wouldn't have seen all these losses. So sometimes it's between risk management and trade management. You have to decide what you want to do. Since I was profitable on other charts like $670, $670, $655, I didn't want to give up all those gains, so I decided to take the loss, which is not a bad thing actually. So and then I recovered those losses, and my loss is down to 175 now. So I'll try to make one more attempt to recover this loss. If it happens. If not, then I will try to cut my loss short and close the trade. And because I have in bank this amount. The market to take aim for small profits, not 20 tick profit, which I've been doing. So that I will. Oh no, this is on the wrong chart. That I will explain another day. Normally my ATM one is a one tick a one contract 8 tick profit ATM, but I have now modified that to 16 tick stop loss and 32 tick profit, because I wanted to show you guys how to trade in a trending market using contrarian trades. But I will move this back to my original size so that I can take churn trades just with one contract and not risk too much. Market is sideways. It's a lunchtime, so I don't expect any significant move now. So in fact, I've been live for last 1 hour, so I'm going to stop here and go with my other things. Thanks for joining for this live trading session. If you have any questions, email us at info@slivertrades.com. You can visit our website www.slivertradez.com. And do not forget to subscribe to our Sliver Bullet Trading System channel, and do not forget to like this video if you liked it. Yeah. So hope you benefited from this trading today, and I'll see you all again very soon on another live session.